Hey y'all, it is me Xureila and I am back with another month video. So today I'm going to be showing you some quick and easy hairstyles that you can do with a wig, and today's hair sponsor is from HairSpells. This is the 1B/30 ombre color natural lace wig, and it is 180% density. This hair looks so good, so I can't wait to show you guys. But this is the packaging that it came in. It also came with some eyelashes, and also this is how the hair came, and this is how it looks before I started to mess with it. Alright y'all, so I'm done installing it, so I just put it on my makeup, and this is how it came out. I love it so much. What I'm going to do is just add a little concealer to the part. This is how I do it to make the part look even wider. I don't do any plucking or anything like that. I didn't pluck. I wanted to pluck this hair, but alright, so here's how it looks with the concealer. So now we're gonna get into the different hairstyles that you could do with this. So here it is after I tried to bleach the knots, but I didn't leave it in long enough, so it got all wet. So here it is dry. So this is the dry state. This is not how it looked when I first got it. When I first got it, it looked like this. It was voluptuous, but now since it's dry, it has nothing in it. We're going to just rejuvenate it. Y'all, this is cute. Like, the dry look is actually really cute too. Like, am I giving you Sierra? Am I giving you Beyonce? Like, what am I giving you? No, but let's just go ahead and start wetting this hair. So I'm just gonna spray it with some water, just to add some moisture into it. And I'm going to brush it and get the water all through it. It is a loose, deep, wavy, virgin human hair. So this is so cute. And now I'm gonna add some oil to it. Give it a little moisture and make it smell good. This is just some K2 stuff. They gave a little instructions and they said treat it like your real hair. So I would put this oil in my real hair if I wanted to moisturize it a little bit. Add some mousse to it. Spray a little bit more water. And I'm gonna add some mousse in it. Make sure we get it at the ends. This hair is 20 inches, so this is how long it is on me. I am loving it so far. Okay, let's do this other side. Y'all, this hair feels so soft. On the instructions of the wig, it says to treat this as your real hair. So you want to wash it frequently, and you want to use products you will use in your real hair, because it is human hair. So you want to try to take care of it and leave it moisturized and keep it conditioned and stuff. So I'm gonna start doing that. I need to do that to all my wigs. I really do not take care of them. They just thrown in the closet, but I'm gonna wash them all and get them all back looking good so I can switch between all my wigs. So I kind of wanted to go up a little bit and then come out. So here's the first hairstyle, the wet look, middle part. You already know how to do that. Really cute. Okay, so the next hairstyle, you're going to want to take two little strands. So you're going to take two strands of hair, just like this. And then you're going to take the rest of, you're going to tuck it behind your ear. You can take out little sideburn pieces. And you could cut these if you want to. I'm not going to cut it. Behind your ear, so you can show your earrings off. And if you want to, you can put that back here, and then you can cut like a little baby hair. But yeah, so this is another hairstyle. Still down, so cute. You got two little strands in the front. And you're looking good. And you can throw it to the back. And then have your 2 strands in the front. Just like that. Third hairstyle, you can leave these out. Okay, so you can pull 2 little pieces out and then leave these strands, and you can put this in a ponytail in the back. Now don't look at my kitchen in the back, but basically ponytail with the 2 strands. You can bring it to the side ponytail action on each side. Okay, so next, top 2 sides, and then you're gonna want to pull them back into a ponytail. The rest of the hair that's down, you're going to want to pull it down, and you have a cute half up, half down look. But it's just pulled back to the back. If you want to do it all the way up here, then you could. Okay, another hairstyle would be 2 ponytails. So you're just gonna take one side and tie it into a ponytail. And you're gonna do the same for the other side. Pull out your little sideburns. Got your 2 strands. And now you have 2 ponytails. I think that's really cute. For the last hairstyle, I'm gonna be doing the 2 buns, but it's gonna be half up, half down. So I'm gonna leave my 2 strands, and you could do all these hairstyles without the 2 strands. I just think the 2 strands is really, really cute. So I'm gonna pull up a little bit of hair, and I'm going to add a ponytail right here. You can do 2 ponytails, half up, half down. Okay, this just looks like 2 ponytails, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. Like this, and then you could actually twist this up into 2 knots. And you can definitely do it neater than I'm doing it, but I like I'm doing like a little messy look. You can pull little strings out if you want to go for the messy look. And here is another cute hairstyle. And these are like sitting on the side of my head, but if you want to, you can pull them up even more. You're gonna apply some bobby pins to keep them there, and that'll be really cute. Y'all, there's just so many hairstyles you could do with a wig, and I'm just loving it. I can't wait to do a bunch of different hairstyles. This hair is so cute. Y'all, so that's the end of this video. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. Let me know if you like this hair on me. I'm loving it. I'm loving it with this yellow shirt. Like, I'm feeling like a real bad bitch, okay? So this hair will have you feeling like a bad bitch. I love it. It's so cute. It's soft. All the links and stuff about this hair will be down below in the description. Don't forget to check it out. And yeah, so I love you guys so much. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, then leave a like and a sweet comment down below. Don't forget to comment which hairstyle was your favorite. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next month video. Bye.
Who are you?
Oh, I be that pretty black bitch.
Black?
Yes, ma'am.
Black?
Yes, ma'am.
Pretty black?
The black, yeah. The black one.
Girl, you ain't never lied because you look good as fuck. Like,
Thank you.
Ooh.